Welcome. In this video I will show you how to update drivers on your Microsoft Surface Pro 12. So to do that, we're gonna have to simply make sure that we have Wi-Fi connection in the control center. To check the control center, just tap on these three icons on your taskbar. Then we're gonna have to open the start menu, go to settings, then open Windows Update section. Here you'll most probably already have some updates prepared for you, so tap download and install all. If you don't have them, just click check for updates. And now for driver specific updates, we have to check additional options or advanced options. Then scroll down to optional updates, select this option, and here you'll find your driver updates. Now Windows updates that you will find here are optional, however the driver updates are rather necessary. So let's hit the checkbox next to the driver updates right here and tap download and install. Once the drivers here are downloaded and installed, which is gonna happen automatically, you'll also gonna have to restart your device by either tapping restart now right here, or just go into start menu, power options, and restart. And this way you will update all the drivers on your tablet. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.